Hey guys, Joshua and Aryeh.
Yes.
Do you remember when we went to the rides and Mommy's friend came with her son?
Yeah.
Remember my friend Carly?
Yeah.
Well, she kind of gave you guys a Christmas present.
Well, I think I remember.
Okay, well she gave you a Christmas present.
Okay, I don't remember.
Okay, but she gave you a Christmas present.
What?
Do you want to see what her Christmas present was?
Yeah.
Okay, Aryeh, come sit next to your brother.
A pizza.
Daddy, can we put the light on behind them, please?
Which one?
That one right there.
I know what it is.
Aryeh, come on.
It's a pizza.
Okay, close your eyes.
The pizza.
Close your eyes.
Are you peeking?
Open your eyes.
Ah! Lego! Lego Star Wars! Wow! Wow! I never knew I'd get Lego Star Wars!
What do we say? What do we say?
Thank you!
Look at the camera and say, thank you, Carly Claus.
Thank you, Carly Claus!
I'm gonna send it to you.